Hey guys, not much going on at the moment, so I'm just going to do a quick video on the daily. Sorry about the state she's in. Let's get started. Alright, here's the terrible factory radio of a BF/BA/a million other Falcons. Also works for the territories and other things like that. And today we're going to be adding in an aux cord. They were a factory option to get. This is a car from like 2007, 2008 era. So of course you had the option for an iPod connection kit and everything. So you can go pick up a cord straight from Ford, or I just got a cheapie off eBay. It's like $3. Has a plug for under the dash on one end and aux on the other. You won't need any tools for this unless you just want to keep it neat. Then some cutters and some cable ties are always helpful. So first, all you need to do is pull off the cover for the fuse box. And then up under here is a white plug, and I'll show you that in a minute. And then just plug it in and run your cable. Here's a view from up under the fuse box. I'm just laying down on my back in the passenger floor, the driver's floor rather. And if you look up here behind it, you'll see a white plug just dangling down. It's the connection for your car phone and iPod and Bluetooth kit and anything like that. Chuck some light on. There we are. See the white plug up there? So it's really just a matter of taking your new one and plugging it in, and then run your wires where you need them. So I'll come up here and out into the console. Some people might wonder how I've run the aux into the cabin. So I just pulled off the surround around the shifter that just pulls straight up. You can get good purchase from this end and then lift it up. And that lifts off there. And there's just this one screw here for this trim piece. I've just been lazy and popped it out the top. And then there is the aux cord. I was going to just drill through this or pull out the little tissue pockets. You can see they're just quite loose fit in there. There's just two screws, but there seems to be enough gap just in there between the trim piece that I'll be able to run the wire through without it chafing too badly. And then it should just nicely come out of there. So I'll pop that back together and then show you it all done. Alright, here's the finished job. So there, she's plugged it under the dash. You can just see a bit of electrical tape there. I just did to make sure those wires were in nice and tight. And then I just brought her along under the steering column. A couple of cable ties to keep her out of the way. And then she just runs, can't really see, back up to the console. And way comes out of the console just here. Now I've got plenty of length. And now for anyone wondering how to activate it, because there's no aux button on here, you press AM twice. And there you go. Nice and easy, quick 5-minute job.